look, welcome to Terry's Tips, guys. Today I'm going to help you out how you can get between $10,000 up to $500,000, y'all, for your business. So today I'm going to talk specifically about a fintech company that funds super quick, guys. And it does not matter if you're a startup all the way up to being an investor or a more seasoned company. Get a notebook, get a pen. So specifically, I'm going to talk about where to go to get the money, guys, the types of financing available, and then the requirements. Guys, you need to hear this because I picked out 5 types of financing specifically for you guys. And I need you guys to hear how the minimum credit score requirements, the time in business, even the revenue varies very widely depending on the type of business credit you're trying to get and the amounts. Got it good, guys. And for my newbies, welcome. Guys, my name is Terry. I upload brand new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. I have over 20 years of experience for personal and business credit, and I help you guys build your wealth and your legacy. Make sure you subscribe and share this video, guys. And I'll do my nugget at the end. So, guys, I hope you had a couple of seconds to get your notebook and your pen. I want to talk specifically about a fintech company called Rock Financial. Write it down. Now, I think I have talked about them at least one other time on my channel. However, I will bring a company like back on and kind of highlight them when they have new financing products, when things have gotten a little bit better and streamlined. And guys, they have been knocking it out the ballpark. That's why I want to highlight 5 specific types of financing. So what you need to know, guys, they are a fintech company. They have no minimum credit score requirements for some of their products. They have no minimum time in business for some of their products. They have products and financing options for business credit for brand new businesses, all the way up to seasoned companies and even like investors. So I'm actually going to highlight on their fix and flip program for you guys. And then, guys, they will fund like super quick. Some of the funding is like 1 to 2 days. Some is same day funding. Some is 2 weeks, guys. And what else did I want to say? And it's a real simple application. Like, guys, the application is like 1 to 3 minutes. And another thing I like about them is that they have an actual like advisor. So you can actually speak to an advisor, tell them about what it is you're looking for, use the information I'm giving you in this video so you guys can have a understanding of your best chance, what is the best fit for you before you make that phone call, right? And then they'll kind of work with you to kind of pair you up with the right financing product for your actual business. Okay, guys. The other thing I like is that actually on their website, like I'm going to put the link, depending on when you're watching this video, guys, I'm going to put the link in the description of the video, guys. And we have an internal contact there. So use my affiliate link. That way you can get some priority processing. And I always tell you guys subscribe, right? Because they send out like information and newsletters to you guys about all types of financing, what's going on in the industry. And it's super helpful. All right. So, you know, I'm not going to memorize everything. So write these down, guys. This is 5 types of financing through fintech company Rock Financial that you can qualify for right now. And guys, some of them actually go from $10,000 up to $5 million. Yes. So the first one, guys, is a term loan. Write that down. This is a small business loan, a term loan. Now, guys, this will fund within like 1 to 3 days. You only need to be in business 3 months. Yes, y'all, 90 days, okay? This loan, a term loan from them goes from $10,000 up to $5 million. No minimum FICO score requirement. Did you hear me? Okay? But they will then, if you obviously, especially if you have like no credit at all or bad credit, right? Or no business credit, guys, and they do want to see at least $5,000 a month in like monthly revenue. Okay, now pause. Some of y'all are saying, well, I don't have $5,000 in revenue. I need you guys to think higher level. That's what this channel is about. If you have a brand new business, no business credit, and bad personal credit, you have to be strong somewhere. This is a nugget for you guys. If you are brand new and you have no business credit, then work on your personal credit. Let's say your personal credit is really bad, then have your business kind of generated some revenue, use something else so you can show that strong revenue so you can qualify for what? More financing to grow your business. Guys, I will link my business credit building playlist where I have like, I think 160 videos on just business credit. Guys, you can do it on your own. Your only investment is your time. Watch the videos, make a list of action items, and actually execute. That way, when you do apply for something like this, having your business credibility and fundability, having some business credit is going to help you get approved, okay? So that's a term loan. The second one, guys, the second type of financing is a Rock line of credit. This is a revolving business line of credit. Now, guys, I love revolving lines of credit because what happens? Let's say they approve you for, $100,000. Then you, the business owner, have $100,000 in business credit available to you that you can use for anything. Employment, payroll, expansion, down payment, renovations, marketing, equipment, cars, whatever it is, right? And since it's revolving, guys, they put the money, you have a certain amount available. So let's say $100,000. And let's say you draw $20,000. So you only want $20,000 at this time. You will only start to make payments based on the $20,000. You'll only have interest based on the $20,000. When you pay it back, it's available again, just like a credit card. That's why it's revolving. Super, super flexible. You can do a million things with it. Okay, guys, listen to the requirements. So this will fund in 1 to 3 days, 6 months in business. They require 6 months in business, which is still very, very low, guys. Like literally you could start building business credit like tomorrow and put yourself in position that at the end of this year, the beginning of next year, get some money to change your whole life, okay? So 6 months in business, they do require a 600 minimum FICO. So pause. Guys, if you are having problems with your credit, first of all, stop paying for credit repair. It's nonsense. You can do it on your own. Guys, click the link in the description of my video and then schedule a jumpstart strategy session with somebody on my team. Guys, we've helped people get like 50-something points in like less than 30 days. So get a customized plan. If your business credit or personal credit is weak and you're lost, invest the time to get the information you need. Get a customized plan for your specific situation and execute. Literally, it should take 30 days, maybe 3 to 6 months max, okay? You should not be working on your credit, personal or business, for more than 12 months, period. All right, so 600 credit score, and they do want at least $5,000 a month in revenue, guys. This is because it's revolving and it's unsecured, right? So they need to know that you have the ability to pay it back. Now, guys, real quick right here, read in between the lines. When they are saying revenue, all they're saying is they need to see deposits into your business bank account. Deposits into your business bank accounts. And usually it's like 1 to 3 months worth of bank statements they want to see. Read in between the lines, make it happen. All right, the third type of financing, guys, is the equipment financing. Equipment can be anything, guys. It could be restaurant equipment. It could be landscaping equipment. It could be cars if you have a Toro business. It could be daycare stuff. It could be gym equipment if you're, a personal trainer. You could be a podcaster or a YouTuber, right? And need, cameras and lights and Macs and all those things. So think outside the box. What type of equipment could you use to grow your business? And pause. Nugget right here, right? So my newbies, I drop nuggets to the entire video. My vets, y'all know what I'm about to do, right? So when I say pause, I want you guys to kind of get why this is helpful, because I had somebody say before, well, if I get the funding, I don't know how am I going to pay it back. Guys, you're supposed to get the funding and put it into something for your business or for your investing that's going to be what? Income producing, return on investment. If you, let's say you want to put cars on Turo. You apply for the financing, you're going to get approved through an easy company like Rock Financial. Again, use the link in the description, right? You get the money, you buy a car, you put it on Turo. Well, it generates income. Now you have the revenue available to pay the money back, right? And have a surplus, have a profit. And then you do what? Repeat. You're welcome. Okay, so equipment financing. This will fund in 2 to 5 days, guys. No minimum time in business. No minimum time in business. That means you could start your business 30 days, have your EIN, have your DUNS, and go ahead and apply for this, okay? No monthly gross revenue. There's a reason why I highlighted this at all. No monthly gross revenue and only a 580 minimum credit score. Come on, y'all. I'll be giving y'all some real stuff, okay? And they have these, depending on how much money you get, it goes anywhere between 1 and 5 years repayment term. So keep that in mind. Y'all have between 1 and 5 years to pay back the equipment financing. All right, so option number 4, guys, is for my real estate investors. Come on, somebody. Because this is a business fintech company, I work with the most out of everybody, guys, because they have more flexible options and way more options than the banks, and they fund a lot faster than the banks, guys. So they have a fix and flip program. Yes, y'all. Okay, so the ratios, the rates start at like 8.99%. So that's going to also vary based on like your credit, your experience. I do know for some of the fix and flips, they want you to have like, I think it was 3 project in the last 36 months or something of that nature. So pause, nugget. If you have a JV, maybe you have the credit and you have, the property. Maybe somebody else has the experience. You guys do a JV, a joint venture, get on that project together. Now you have the experience and the credit to qualify for the fix and flip funding. Bars. Okay, guys, so they have between 80 and 100%, guys, financing too. 650 minimum credit score for this. Funds in about 2 weeks. And they'll want 3 months bank statements, guys, and no tax returns. You're welcome. All right, and then the fifth one, guys, is money for a startup. They actually have startup funding. Yes, y'all. Now, pause. Before I even tell you guys the requirements, if you are going to any lender and you're going for startup funding, they know you may not have business credit. They know that you may not have revenue. But that means do the fundability and credibility, please. Like, don't go to them with nothing. They're not going to approve you. If you don't take your business serious, they're not going to take your business serious. So that means have your EIN, have your DUNS, have your business bank accounts, have your vendor accounts, have a business plan, right? Come to them with something so they know that you have a plan. Come on, somebody, to pay the actual money back. So obviously for the startup funding, this actually goes from 10,000 up to 5 million. From 10,000 up to 5 billion. No requirement for time in business, no monthly revenue requirement. 1 to 5 day repayment terms, same day funding. You have all your stuff together and apply, and everything works out, and everything is like valid. They're able to verify everything. They actually have same day funding for startups. Yes, y'all. And but they do have a minimum 650 credit score, which I can understand because they're saying no minimum time in business, no monthly revenue. Well, we need something to verify the risk in lending to you. That means fundability, credibility, business plan, credit scores. Got it good, guys. So recap. Rock Financial is a business fintech company. I'll put the link in the description of the video. Use my link to get priority processing. They are a fintech company. They have much lower requirements than a lot of the lenders. And guys, when you go on the website, do your due diligence, right? You can look at some of the different options and it will answer some of the questions for you right on the website. And then you, out there in YouTube land, Instagram land, wherever you're watching from, right, then you apply for the financing that is the best option for you, okay? Watch and rewatch this video if you need to go through those requirements again. And guys, for my nugget, I'm going to talk to y'all about y'all time. I'm going to talk to you about your time. Guys, the only difference between people who are wildly successful and the people that are struggling is who they spend their time with and what they spend their time on. Guys, I always talk about being a good steward of your money and your finances. You need to be a good steward of your mind and of your time and of your energy. Guys, sometimes we need to cut off the TV. We need to cut off people that are, people, places, things, habits that are toxic. And we need to be in a season where we're working on personal growth, reading, podcasts, mentors, affirmations, journaling, right? What you're spending your time on and who you're spending your time with is going to hands down dictate your success. Got it good, guys.